This is a topic that confuses a lot of people. Which way does electric current really flow? Everyone knows from grade school science that negative charges, called electrons, flow from the negative terminal of a battery through the circuit and back to the positive terminal. So why do engineers and scientists knowingly define electric current as positive charges flowing in the opposite direction? Well, there are several reasons for that. One of them is historical. Benjamin Franklin came along before anyone knew what electrons were. In fact, the electron wouldn't be discovered until more than 100 years later. So Franklin had to explain electricity from a different point of view. He saw electricity as an invisible fluid that he called the electric atmosphere. It existed in everything around us. If an object had too much electric fluid, it was positively charged. If it had too little electric fluid, it was negatively charged. Benjamin Franklin actually invented the terms positive charge and negative charge that we use today. According to Franklin, the flow of electricity was electric fluid flowing out of positively charged objects and into negatively charged objects. This established the convention that electric current flows from a higher or positive voltage to a lower or negative voltage. But there's another reason. Electric current isn't always the flow of electrons. Electrons do flow in metal, like a copper wire, but that isn't true for everything. When you get an electric shock, for example, the tingling electric current you feel is actually the flow of positive charges through your body, not electrons. Electric batteries have both positive and negative charges flowing in them. Both charges are going in opposite directions at the same time. And the transistors in your TV, radio, and iPod have positive charges flowing in one part of them, while negative charges flow in another part. So electric current doesn't always flow in the same direction anyway. But the real direction doesn't really matter. Think about it. Your toast will be delicious no matter what direction the current flows to the heating element. The definition of conventional current being the flow of positive charges simply allows everyone to describe it using the same terminology. Now, go explain this to a friend or family member during breakfast. Of course, one that includes toast.